Ever wondered why we don't simply float away into space? The answer lies in one word: gravity. But what is gravity really? Picture this. It's that invisible hand that keeps our feet planted on the ground. That unseen force that pulls an apple from a tree straight to the earth. It's the cosmic glue binding us to our planet and our planet to the sun. Now let's dive into some mind-boggling facts about gravity you might not know. Fact 1. Gravity is not uniform. Now that might be a surprise. You see, gravity's strength can actually vary depending on where you are on Earth. For instance, it's slightly weaker at the equator. Why, you ask? Well, this is due to the centrifugal forces caused by our planet's rotation. These forces are pushing everything away from the Earth's center and are strongest at the equator. So, if you ever want to lose weight instantly, you might want to consider moving to the equator. Fact 2. Gravity can bend light. Now, this might sound like a line straight out of a science fiction novel, but it's absolutely true. This phenomenon is known as gravitational lensing. It's like gravity's got its own pair of spectacles. This was one of the key proofs of Einstein's theory of general relativity. So, when gravity flexes its muscles, even light isn't quick enough to dodge it. Next time you look at the stars, remember, what you see has been influenced by gravity. Fact 3. Gravity affects time. Now, this might sound like a line straight out of a science fiction novel, but it's actually a concept known as gravitational time dilation. Picture a clock placed in a stronger gravitational field, like closer to a planet. This clock will tick slower compared to its counterpart in a weaker field. So, if you think about it, gravity isn't just a force that keeps us grounded, but it also has a hand in the grand cosmic clockwork. In a way, gravity holds the power to slow down time. Fact 4. We still don't know everything about gravity. Now, isn't that a fascinating thought? Despite centuries of relentless study, the elusive nature of gravity still manages to stump us. For instance, a puzzling question that remains unanswered is why gravity, among all the fundamental forces, is so much weaker. Yes, it's strong enough to keep us grounded and to orbit planets, but compared to forces like electromagnetism, it's surprisingly feeble. The mystery of gravity continues to keep scientists on their toes. Fact 5. Without gravity, we wouldn't have tides. Now, this is quite fascinating. You see, the moon, our closest cosmic neighbor, exerts a gravitational pull on Earth. This pull is most strongly felt by the water in our oceans, leading to the rise and fall of sea levels that we know as tides. High tide, low tide, all a dance between the Earth and the moon, choreographed by the force of gravity. So, the next time you enjoy a day at the beach, remember, it's all thanks to gravity. These are just a few intriguing facts about gravity. We've discovered that gravity, invisible yet omnipresent, warps time and space. We've learned that it can vary across the Earth's surface, and that it's not always the same. We've seen how gravity even affects light, bending its path and creating phenomena like gravitational lensing. And we've delved into the mystery of gravity's missing messenger particle, the graviton. Gravity, the unseen force that shapes our lives and our universe, remains a fascinating subject of study and discovery. Thanks for joining us in this journey of gravity exploration.